Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Happy Investing. In this video, I will explain on Mrs. Bector Food IPO basic details, past financial performance, valuation comparison to peers, and basis all these factors whether the IPO is worth subscribing or not. Mrs. Bector's Food is Ludhiana based one of the leading companies in the premium bakery segment and premium and mid-premium biscuit segment in North India. It manufactures and sells biscuits under its brand name Mrs. Bector's Cremica and various bakery products under the brand name of English Oven. It sells its products across 23 states in India and also exports to 64 countries all over the world. It is the largest supplier of buns to quick service restaurant chains including McDonald's, KFC and Burger King. If you look at the basic detail of the IPO, its subscription dates are from 15 to 17 December 2020. Price band is INR 286 per share to 288 per share. IPO size is 540 crores. Minimum bid lot size is 50 shares. Face value is INR 10 per share. And retail allocation is 35% of the total size. The IPO proceeds would be utilized towards establishing new biscuits production in Rajpura, that is in Punjab, manufacturing facility project and general corporate purposes. Now we come to the past financial performance of the company. Revenue have been generally shown stable growth from financial year 2018 to financial 2020. During coronavirus pandemic period in first half of financial year 2021, the company has shown good performance on revenue as well as margins front. Its revenue during first half, that is April 2020 to September 2020, issued at Rs 438 crores, that is approx 18% up over a year earlier. There is almost threefold year-on-year jump in net profit to Rs 38.4 crores in the first half of financial year 21. Now we come to the most important part, valuation of the issue. Its EPS for financial year 2020 rupees 5.3. Last year's average EPS is rupees 5.62. On the upper price band of rupees 288 and based last 3 years average EPS rupees 5.62, the PE ratio is 51x. If we consider 6 month ended September 20 EPS rupees 6.7 and analyze it for full financial year 21 EPS rupees 13.4, the PE ratio is 21.5x. If you look at the latest PE of some of its peers, Nestle trading at PE ratio of 85x, Britannia trading at PE ratio of 50x, Pratap Snacks is trading at PE ratio of 58x, and DFM Food is trading at PE ratio of 99x. Therefore, Mrs. Bector's Food IPO with PE range of 21.5x to 51x is reasonably priced in comparison to other listed peers. Latest grey market premium on 10 December is Rs 135, that is more than 45% over offer price. Now I would conclude, IPO issue price is reasonably valued. High risk investor can invest for listing gains as well as for medium to long term perspective. So thank you guys. If you found my video interesting, please like my video, comment on my video, share my video and subscribe to my YouTube channel Happy Investing. Stay tuned for more updates.